Right, so in this video I'm just going to run you through how to actually run the Lazy Spa hot tubs with the display settings. So let's face it, the instructions are absolutely horrendous. They don't really give you any clear indication on what you're going to be doing. So let me just break it down nice and simple. Top left hand corner we've got the lock and the unlock button. This locks the keypad, so we're going to press and hold that for about 3 seconds. And the little light indicator there goes off. That gives us access to the keypad. When we're finished, you press and hold it again and it will lock. Leave it for a few moments and it will also lock. So that is your main key function to prevent any accidental mishaps. Down below we've got the button which sets the time delay and also how long the heat pump is going to come on for. Please check out my other video in the link in the description below on how to operate that function in depth. Below we've got this display. This is the heat setting display. Now in order to set the heat, what you're going to be doing to start with is you're going to set the heat with the the up and the bottom arrow. So you can set it to say 40 degrees or lower. The maximum this goes to is actually 40 degrees. As you can see there's nothing higher than that. So once you've set it on there, you can then press this button. It will then turn on and it will activate the temperature setting up there, and it will just keep raising the temperature up until it reaches the desired setting. Turn that off. Below here you've got your bubble setting. I'll press that once and you should hear the bubbles coming on. Nice and easy like that. We'll turn that one off now. So that is how to turn the jets on the spa. We've got this one which turns the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So as you can see, it's 99 degrees Fahrenheit and 37 degrees Celsius. This display here, this is the pump. This basically circulates the water through the filter in the pump and back out again. So you can turn that off and then there's nice and quiet there, as you can hear. Silence. Turn it back on and you can hear the pump start up straight away. And then, like I said, you've got your your up and your downs to set your temperatures accordingly. And then once you're finished in the hot tub for the day, you can press the off button, press and hold it for about 3 seconds and the whole thing goes off. That is as easy as it gets when it comes to running the Lazy Spa hot tubs with this setup. Very, very simple. I don't know why Lazy Spa made it so difficult with the actual instructions, but there we go. It is not that difficult. So if you do like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, click subscribe, and I'll be giving you more Lazy Spa reviews soon.